In this video, I want to show you how to identify volume imbalance as taught in the ICT concept. This is in response to so many questions I've gotten regarding volume imbalance. I want to explain that to you in this particular video. So whether you're trading in the futures market, or you're trading in the forex market, or you're trading indices, whatever financial asset you're trading, you are probably going to see this on your chart, and it is important you learn about it and how to possibly use it for trade entry. So right here I have this diagram. You can see I have these bullish candles, as you can see, arranged here, and then these bearish candles, and I have this area where I marked as volume imbalance. So what exactly is volume imbalance? Volume imbalance is said to be formed whenever you have this kind of price action where only the wick of the candle, that is the tails, being connected without the body connected. You can see on these two candles, 1, 2, you can see the bodies are actually connected here, but this one, there is a gap that only the wick of the candle are left connected, the bodies are not connected. And in this bearish candle too, you can also see it, only the wicks of the candles are connected. So this can be seen on a chart, and price is always coming back to fill up that imbalance. This is just like your fair value gap and different other institutional reference points. I'll go to my chart right now and show you how to see them and how effective they are on your chart. So coming back to my chart right here, let me try and spot some of them for you to see. If you go to your chart, you are probably going to see a lot of these kind of imbalances forming. Can you see this one, this particular one? Let me just enlarge it a bit so you can see. This is a volume imbalance where only the wicks of the candles are connected. Let me show you this clearly. If you can see what I'm showing you, make sure you watch this video to the end so you can learn how to identify volume imbalance. So this is actually a volume imbalance that has played out, and you can actually see that price came back to fill it up. Price actually came back to fill it up in that area. If I take this to another level, you are probably going to see another volume imbalance. This is a volume imbalance in this place. Can you see the bodies of the candles are not connected, and there is this gap that is left in between, and only the wicks of the candles actually connected together. So price is probably going to come back and fill up that imbalance. And this is also another volume imbalance in this area. Can you see this? This is a volume imbalance, and as you can see, price actually came back and tested the tip of this imbalance in the future before coming down. Let me see if I can find another volume imbalance for you to see so you can learn more about these kind of imbalances. Can you see the bodies of these candles are not connected and only the wicks were connected? So this is also a volume imbalance. So whenever you're doing your analysis, don't forget to identify this kind of imbalances on your chart so you will be able to trade effectively when you see them on your chart. So let me go through it. If I can see more of volume imbalances that I can show you, it is important that you learn how to identify them. Can you see a volume imbalance right here? This is a volume imbalance, and you can see how price always come back to fill it up in the future. This is a volume imbalance that happened and price came back to fill it up, just like a fair value gap before moving up. So this is where you can identify them on your chart. If you want me to make a video on how to actually use it on a chart for trade entry, I will definitely do that, but you need to let me know in the comments so that I can do that. And if you're watching this particular video from other platforms, kindly reach out to my YouTube channel with the link in the description. This is my YouTube channel where you can find a lot of videos about ICT concept and smart money concept in general. So this is volume imbalance. Let me show you one I saw right now. Can you see the bodies of these candles are not perfectly connected? These two candles are not perfectly connected. There is something really small here. This is a volume imbalance, and look at what happened in the future. Price actually came back to fill it up in the future. This is it. Price came back and fill it up before moving further down. So that is how to identify a volume imbalance. Look at another one. You can see a lot of them on your chart. This is just an example that I'm showing you. You can see it time and time again. This is another volume imbalance. If I can go through this chart from now till the next day, we're going to identify volume imbalances across all these places. This is a volume imbalance. This is another volume imbalance in this area. This is a volume imbalance in this area too. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more and more of ICT concepts from me. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's meet there. I will mentor you on how to become an effective trader with risk management and perfect trade entry. Thank you for watching. See you next time.